we may have different religions, different languages, different colored skins, but we all belong to one human race. Kofi Annan, a diplomat from Ghana. Dr. Lanier, Dr. Christine, Captain America, fellow teachers and friends. When Dr. Lanier asked me to share my thoughts about this experience, something came to my mind just like this. Having the opportunity of sharing the classroom with the Iraqi teachers. And I remember day one, we arrived very early. We were in our classroom. We took the first seats, and they arrived later on, late, because they were lost. And I remember that one of the Mexican teachers asked Muna, "Hey Muna, why do you guys sit in the back of the classroom?" And she said, "Because you took our places." And I said, "Oh my, the Mexicans are starting an international conflict already." And it was day one. Then I just realized that she was joking, and she told me, "We got lost. That is why we were late." I tried to take advantage of this opportunity of having an international classroom. I had been to other places with just a bunch of Mexicans, but it was special having people from another culture. For instance, the day of our conference, I wrote this invitation in Arabic for all of them. That is why 90% of the Iraqis were with me, and they thought that it was something very thoughtful, and they appreciate that.
You wrote
So,
it?
no, I asked Amin. I wrote the invitation in English, and I asked Amin to write it in Arabic, but I committed a mistake. Dilnia speaks Kurdish. So she said, "What's this?" Oh my. So I gave the English invitation to her. Anyway, during my classes, I learned that the Iraqis are well educated, are very polite, are kind of serious when they have their teacher classes. But when we were traveling, and you can ask Captain America, they were just like us. We were singing. Now I know how to sing. Habibi, Habibi. That means something like, "I loved you." And that was great. I was singing in Arabic with all the gang. So it's what I take from this program. Having the opportunity of putting away those stereotypes. Oh, the Arabs are dangerous, the Mexicans are lazy, the African Americans are chaotic. No. I remember I attended the conference by Haider. I almost cried. Believe me. How they struggle. They work for free. They receive their payments like 6 months later. And it's something that we as Mexicans, sometimes we don't value. I'm very happy about being here with you. I'm 52, I'm the oldest of the gang, and I like my job. I believe that we never stop learning. We decided to have this profession, and it's beautiful. And I want to thank you for this lovely summer program, to see all the staff. The teacher is top notch, and I can compare that with other programs. The teacher is top notch, and thank you for maintaining this program. I remember the day you said that you could lose the program, but you did well, and I assure you that we are going to impact our students when we get back home.
You know, this is the 22nd.